In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made over $25,000 promoting one affiliate product called Builderall. I'm going to talk you through my exact strategy and show you how you can copy my results as well. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made over $25,000 promoting a product called Builderall. If you don't know what Builderall is, I'll show you all about it in just a moment, but basically it's a website builder with loads of digital marketing tools included, and I've been promoting it and I've made over $25,000 from this product. So in this video, I'm going to show you live proof of my earnings so you can see that it's all legit, and I'm going to talk you through exactly how I promoted it to get to over $25,000. I'm going to jump on my computer now to show you everything, but if you are interested in being an affiliate for Builderall and you want to join my team and work with me, I offer full training and mentoring for free to anyone that signs up under my link. So all you need to do is just click on the link below this video. I've got over $2,900 worth of training and mentoring that I'm going to give to you for free for using my link. I've got a full step-by-step training course, full funnels, done for you sales funnels, email swipes, everything. I'll show you exactly what's included in that bonus package in this video a little bit later, but the link's just under this video if you're interested. Right, so I'm going to jump on my computer now and show you exactly how I made over 25 grand with Builderall. So you're just on my computer now. Before I show you my proof of earnings and show you actually how I've been promoting it, I just want to show you exactly what's inside Builderall. So the products that I've been promoting if you don't know. So it's basically a website builder, sales funnel builder with loads of digital marketing tools included. But if you already think you know what's inside Builderall, I urge you to check it out again, because over the last few months it's gone through some massive changes. They've improved loads of the tools and they've added loads more tools. And today, the day that this video goes live, there's a massive relaunch of the platform and they're adding even more tools. Like a Facebook chatbot. They've got loads of tools, but I'll show you what's included now. So it's got like a drag and drop website builder and sales funnel builder with loads of templates for all these different niches. It's got an email marketing autoresponder like GetResponse. And there was a bit of trouble with it at the start, but it's actually inboxing, it's working perfectly. So this is a campaign I sent out recently, 48% open rate, 18% click-through rate from the built-in email autoresponder inside Builderall. And the great thing about it is, it's got unlimited quota, so you can send as many emails as you want, have as many subscribers as you want. So if you was to get that on something like GetResponse, it would cost hundreds of dollars per month, and there's one of them included inside Builderall, which is amazing. It's got a design studio, it's got a webinar platform, so you can do live webinars and pre-recorded webinars from inside Builderall, and it's got loads of other tools. And it only costs $29 per month to be part of the platform. Or if you sign up for the business plan and you're being an affiliate as well, it's $49 per month. But it's amazing what you get for the price. So this is why it's so easy to sell and why I'm making so much money from it. But I'll show you some of the strategies I've been using in a minute, but I just want to show you proof of earnings. So if you just go down to Builderall Business. So I've actually got two accounts. I had an old account and then I became an ambassador to work closer with the company. So my earnings are split across two accounts, but I'll just show you. So this is my old account here, as you can see. I just go down to your earnings when it loads. So as you can see here, $4,400 in this bit and like $700, nearly $800 there. So that's over $5,000 in my old account. But the real magic has happened in the last few months when I've earned over $20,000 promoting this thing. So I'm going to log out here and just show you my logging into my new account. So this is it here. I am Liam JK. So as you can see, I'm an ambassador here. This is just the little crown at the top there. So if you go down here to Builderall Business, my earnings on this one, and as you can see here, I've been paid out $13,200. I've got, and also 1,000 euros. I've got available in my account $3,613 and 700 euros. I've got on hold 862 and pending 853. So if you add all that up and convert it, it's over $20,000 in the last like four months, I think it is, with this account. So in total, that's over $25,000 from one account. and it's membership based, so the recurring income keeps coming in every single month, and that means that I can travel the world, and that's why I'm currently in Bali, mainly thanks to Builderall and the passive income that it keeps bringing in. So I've earned some really good money from this single affiliate product, and I'm going to show you the strategies that I use to promote that. But one of the main reasons is because it's got a 2-tier affiliate program. So basically, if you promote Builderall, you get 100% commissions when someone joins up. So if they sign up for a $29 plan, you get $29 straight away. If they sign up for a business plan, you get $49 straight away. And then you get 30% every single month that they stay signed up. But if they also become an affiliate as well, you earn 30% from each one that they get to sign up as well. So you're earning 2 levels of commission. And this is why you earn so much money and so much passive income with Builderall. And this is why I put so much time and effort into promoting it and building a team of affiliates to show them how to promote it as well. So when you join Builderall Business, they give you a separate dashboard here, and there's loads of resources like pre-made funnels, sales funnels and sales videos and things like that, which you can use to promote Builderall straight away as soon as you join up. But my strategy has been a little different to that. So a lot of people just join up, they just follow the funnels which are inbuilt in Builderall, which they're okay, they work, but I kind of wanted to take it up a level and create my own sales funnels. So that's kind of the strategy that I've had with promoting Builderall. So for example, one of the funnels which I created was let me just find it here, a free affiliate marketing training course. So this is a free training course which has got like a few videos in explaining how to do affiliate marketing, which I created from within inside Builderall, so that was a bonus as well. And then when they sign up to this, I give them some videos about affiliate marketing. But during this course, I actually use it to promote Builderall. So when I promote this, someone joins up, in one of the videos I explain a great affiliate product and say, join Builderall. So that gets people joining my team. So that works really well. So rather than just saying, join Builderall, it's like, well, here's how to do affiliate marketing and here's a perfect product for affiliate marketing. So that works really well. And these funnels, just so you know, I make available to my team. So you can use this funnel, add your own affiliate link inside it, and then send it out. And when someone joins up through this funnel, you will earn the commissions. So that's kind of the strategy I've done. So this is one of the funnels. And another funnel which I created to promote Builderall was this one, really basic. It's called Marketing Hack. And it basically says, free video revealing the hack I use to save over $398 every month on marketing tools. And then I promoted this on Facebook adverts and on Facebook and in groups and said, I've got a hack if anyone wants it. There's a free video explaining it. So they kind of think they're going to find a way to hack ClickFunnels or something like that. They get sucked into it, they click watch video, they enter their email address, and then the video is basically me just telling them about this hack, which is Builderall, and selling Builderall to them. And that works really well. And again, if you join my team, this is available to you. So that's kind of the thing that you do. You create funnels, giving away something for free, providing value, and then sell Builderall on the back end once they're kind of into the funnel, and that works really well. So I kind of post these. So I do a lot of free traffic, so get a lot of free promotion. So going to like affiliate marketing Facebook groups, posting videos, like I did a video basically about the hack one, saying I've got a hack, get them to type info if they want the info, and then send them a link to that funnel. They watch the funnel, they sign up. I've got another one here, this one here. So this is a webinar. So I created the top secret affiliate marketing method I use to make over 10 grand every month. So in this, these are basically, they see this, they click watch. It's a long webinar talking about some great tips and tricks for affiliate marketing. And then I'm selling Builderall to them. So this works again, you go into Facebook groups, you say, who wants to watch a free webinar about affiliate marketing? You get them to type info and you promote it. So that's one of the strategies. Another really good strategy which I've used is YouTube. Obviously, I'm on YouTube now. I get about 2 signups per day, totally passive, from a couple of videos which I've got on my YouTube channel. So if you want to promote Builderall, you need to be on YouTube and producing content on YouTube. So I'll just show you my channel now. So that this video here was just a Builderall features review where I just went over the tools of Builderall and got people to sign up because they'd never heard of it. So you can do videos like that, but also it's really good because you can do videos like top 3 passive income ideas where you then mention Builderall. Or even like this one here where I'm talking about how to make money with CLICKBANK, in the video, I talk about building landing pages and sales funnels, and then you can also link to Builderall in the comments below. So that is another really good free strategy that I've been using to promote Builderall. Other strategies are Instagram, so posting a link in my Instagram to these funnels. I also use solo ads, so paid advertising with solo ads again. So it's using these funnels and then sending them out to people on solo ads, which is basically email lists full of people saying you want an invite to a free affiliate marketing webinar. They sign up and then you give them value and sell them Builderall. So that's kind of my strategy, is to provide real value and then upsell to Builderall on the back end. So rather than just going in for the sign up to Builderall kind of method, which a lot of people have been doing. So that is how I make direct sales with Builderall, which brings in a lot of income every month. But the real key to my success is because I give away all of my best stuff for free to people who join my team, which then helps them make sales, which earns me even more income. So because it's got a 2-tier affiliate program, if you sign up under me and you make a sale, you'll earn a commission every month, but I'll also earn a commission as well because I've referred you. So this is why I've got all this training and I give all my funnels to my team, which means they can crush it and make sales and make us both money. So if you just look down here, all these tier 2, these are sales from people who have joined my team. So they are following my training, using my funnels and making sales, which is earning them loads of money, and then it's earning me commissions every month as well. And you can see, look, all these tier 2s every single day, loads of pages of them. So they're crushing it as well. And that is what it is. That's why I've created a full training course. So I've got a full step-by-step training course here when they click in. So if you sign up under me, you get a full step-by-step training course explaining how to get started, how to get your affiliate link, how to promote it, so you're literally not left alone at all at any stage. I've got promotion methods where I go through 7 different free traffic methods over the shoulder and show you how I do them, how I get the high engagement, how I get people joining my team. Free traffic methods, I've got Facebook ads training, I've got solo ads training as well, step by step. As I said, I've got all of the sales funnels. So some of the affiliates in Builderall don't give away their best sales funnels to their team. That's different with me. I give away everything. If I create a new sales funnel, I give it to you for free. So in here, I've got training on how to actually get my sales funnel, how to set them up, so you can add in your affiliate link and you can just get them here. So my high converting passive income system, I've got a webinar funnel, which I explained. I've got my training course funnel, my marketing hack, another passive income challenge. I'm working on another funnel at the moment, which is going to be killer, and I give that to my team for free, along with all of the email swipes as well. So all of the high converting emails which help get people to sign up, all of the email swipes are available as well. And I've got bonus training about CPA marketing and CLICKBANK, all included for anyone that joins my team. And just so you know, that if you sign up under me, I'm going to give you access to all of this training and all of my funnels and everything. But you can also give that very training and funnels to people who sign up under you as well, to help them promote and help them succeed, so you're earning even more commissions. And I've also got this page here, which is my brand new sales page, which I also make available to my team. And I'm just going to show you what you're going to get, again, just if you join my team. So it's over $2,900 worth of bonuses. So you're getting step-by-step training course, you're getting personal one-on-one mentoring with me. So as soon as you sign up, I'll send you an email and you can book in a Skype call with me and we can discuss a plan of action to make sure you're succeeding with Builderall. My done-for-you sales funnels, I've got an additional Facebook training course which is worth $497, which you're going to get for free. I've got my private Facebook group, Builderall Business Bosses, where I post in there every week. Builderall Business Bosses, where I post videos, updates, training, coaching calls, everything goes in there. There's over 360 members. This is the group here, and I post groups and videos and updates and everything, and everyone can help each other out. That's just for my team. I've got my email swipes, the bonus training, unlimited support. So yeah, if you want to join my team, just click on the button under this video and click on this button here. And you just see here that people who have signed up under me are crushing it. So Rachel Esley, she joined my team not long ago, and she got 22 sign-ups in 7 days. That's 22 people have joined her team in 7 days. So you show that my training does work. She said, thanks for the training, Liam. This is someone else, Hayden, who was just starting out. He made $143 straight away. Ben used my free traffic methods, and he got his first sale in 24 hours. Faison, who got like 10 leads, and he said he couldn't do it without me. And then there's this guy here that used my awesome funnel, converts like crazy. Sergio, I've got so many people that have joined my team and they are crushing it because I help them crush it, and I don't leave them alone. I want them to succeed, because I don't want you to join my team and cancel, because it's got a 30-day money back guarantee anyway. So if you join my team and you don't make a sale, you probably will cancel. So I want to make sure you're crushing it. So this is why I give it my all to make sure you're succeeding with Builderall. So yeah, that's it. And this is here about me getting the car bonus, because I got over 100 people signed up, and they give me a free car bonus every month, which I can use to lease a car. So yeah, you're going to get this whole page to use, which you can edit yourself. You're going to get all of my sales funnels, literally everything you need to succeed with Builderall. And because it's the launch day, the relaunch of the platform, I'm going to give a special bonus. So for the first 10 people that are watching this video that join my team, sign up to Builderall Business using my link below, I'm going to give you a $50 solo ads credit. So you can basically start your first paid campaign straight away with solo ads. I've got training on how that all works, and you can do that. So that's for the first 10 people, first 10 action takers that join my team after seeing this video today. So that's everything for this video. Now is the best time to get involved with Builderall, because it is literally going to be the #1 platform very soon, because of the relaunch and the new tools and the Facebook chatbot that they're adding and everything like that. So make sure you get involved. If you've got any questions about anything, just let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Until next time, cheers guys.